The Nigerian Army recognizes the importance of effective protocol and liaison in achieving efficient joint and multi-agency operations. Hence, the Nigerian Army Headquarters Department of Special Services and Programs organized the third annual capacity building workshop on protocol and liaison duties. The event, which took place on Tuesday at the T.Y. Bertai Hall, Army War College, Nigeria, at Sokorio, Abuja, was themed Leveraging Protocol and Liaison for Efficient Joint and Multi-Agency Operations.
The workshop, therefore, was equally expanded to incorporate the participation of colleagues from sister services and personnel of other security agencies. This was envisioned to inject the desired realism by way of fruitful interactions towards a common understanding of templates related to protocol and liaison functions, expected to strengthen the synergy of effort and interagency cooperation in our joint and multi-agency operations. Specific objective of the workshop is to enhance the capacity of the participants in joint planning, coordination, support and supervision of special events and programs. To achieve this, we have carefully selected distinguished experts in the field of protocol, behavioral codes, and laws who would interact and offer their experiences to galvanize our interest and help develop the capacity of the participants who are the major beneficiaries of this initiative. It is envisaged that our collective participation would elicit interesting discussions and interactions towards the attainment of the objective of this workshop. We therefore look forward to open and objective discussions that will facilitate improvements in our service delivery.
The special guest of honor, Chief of Army Staff, Lieutenant General Lufemi Oluyede, ably represented by the Director General, Nigerian Army Heritage and Future Center, Major General Bemiga Adeshino, while formally declaring the third capacity building workshop on protocol and design duties open, said that the growing demand for competence among personnel responsible for protocol and liaison duties called for enhanced training and capacity development in protocol and liaison duties at various levels to ensure seamless and conscious engagement within a joint environment.
Expectedly, these demands call for enhanced training and capacity development in protocol and liaison duties at various levels to ensure seamless and conscious engagement within a joint environment. In these regards, the department's collaboration with professionals and subject matter experts in the protocol field towards building the capacity of our protocol and liaison officers is quite commendable. It will certainly enhance the participants' capacity and improve their competence, especially during joint and multi-agency operations. This indeed is in sync with my command philosophy, which is, I quote, to consolidate the transformation of the Nigerian Army towards bequeathing a well-motivated and combat-ready force that can effectively discharge its constitutional responsibility within a joint and multi-agency environment.
The keynote speaker, Major General Julius Oshanupi, retired, in his presentation described a corporate entity as an individual that plays a significant role in contributing to the social, economic, and infrastructural development of a nation.
What is a corporate entity? What is a corporate entity? And I will say yes. Some of you, you know. There's no how you must not know. Corporate entity is identified and defined by law or agreement. Let me take the smallest that we all know. The family is defined by law or by agreement. Even whether adoption or whatever it is, you become a family. You are an entity, a corporate entity, an individual that make up a family. It's not a job for one person. It's a job for all members of that family. I want you to look at that and see how you gradually expand it to the societal stage and both national and international stage. Let us look at country. We are Nigerians. We have Nigeria. In Nigeria, there are so many entities that make up Nigeria, and they must work together to achieve the mission of the nation. Like the banks, the industries, and small, medium scale enterprises that are there. They must know what is going on. And I think this played out very well for those of you who were old enough to know, or you may have read, during the Nigerian Civil War, where everybody was aware. Nigerian breweries brew special beer that were fed into our troops in the front line. Other people who produce, whether it's toothpaste you are producing, toilet paper you are producing, anything you know. They call it the win the war efforts. Everybody made contributions into the national efforts. And I would say the most important, again, is the citizens of a nation. Some of us will wonder, what do we mean about the citizens? Are they going to the war front and that and that? No. They are the people who make the nation. Even if you are representing them at whatever level, it is them. They must know what you are doing. They have a role that they will play and all that.
The third annual Army Headquarters Department of Special Services and Programs Capacity Building Workshop on Protocol and Liaison Duties provides deep insight into the evolving environment and has brought together key stakeholders from the Nigerian Army, sister services, relevant government agencies, and seasoned experts in protocol and liaison duties. Laimi Eson, Postspy TV.